Hi, today we're going to talk about this item here, the Elite Wrestling collection from Series 11 of Macho Man Randy Savage. Now, basically I'm going to be talking a little bit about Randy Savage himself and some information about his wrestling um, biography and history. And then I'm just going to pretty much just share with how you can get one of these and the differences that this one is for compared to one of the special edition ones that are out there. So before I begin, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. I always look forward to your comments, so please feel free to leave. And also, if you felt if I've added value to you with this video, please hit the like button. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So basically, I picked this up from the local store. This is where you can get it at Target. I just saw this item and I just thought it was pretty awesome. You know, it was saying Macho Man Randy Savage. So this is a Series 11 Elite Collection Wrestling Legends figure. And basically there's two figures. So there's this one right here with the special shorts in stars. And then there's a chase one with a yellow short. They both pretty much sell pretty much the same if you get it outside at the local Target or any of the stores that sell action figures. You know, at your retailers, the big box retailers. It's just the secondary market, people who collect stuff that will probably charge a different price for each one. And I think this one is probably not as expensive as the yellow one, which is your chase item. So a bit of history regarding Macho Man Randy Savage. He was actually named Randall Mario Poffo, and basically he passed away back in 2011 from my research of him. And his ring name is Macho Man Randy Savage, which is what the action figure says here. He was an American professional wrestler and professional baseball player, best known for his time in the World Wrestling Federation, the WWF, and later World Championship Wrestling, WCW, with the nickname Macho Man. He actually had a manager, Miss Elizabeth, that he actually became that she became his spouse eventually. And Savage was described by many as one of the greatest pro wrestlers who ever lived, a statement echoed by multiple industry performers. Savage had like 29 championship reigns with 11 titles during his 32-year career. That's pretty awesome, including 2 at WWF World Heavyweight Championship and 4 as WCW World Heavyweight Champion. And basically this figure is pretty much celebrating his titles, his WWE titles, Intercontinental Champion, WCW World Heavyweight Championships. Macho Man made history at WrestleMania 3 with his legendary Intercontinental Championship match against Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, long considered to be one of the greatest matches in WrestleMania history. So there is some tidbit history there. Well, that was probably way back then. I don't even know what wrestling. I think they're up to like wrestling hundreds now. But yeah, that's like a huge long time ago. Wow, probably the Hulk Hogan eras. Though he was not victorious, Savage was quick to be reminded WWE viewers that nothing means nothing because even though he claimed the cards were stacked against him, he's the cream of the crop, and the cream always rises to the top. And his favorite echo was, "Oh yeah." So something unique there. But I just thought this figure was pretty awesome. I mean, I've seen a lot of wrestling figures out there, and they're all pretty very similar. You know, they have different things, but this one's very unique. I mean, he has a headband. He has a awesome kind of like a skateboard board there, and then a different hand style things. And he's holding his little milk cup right there. If you notice that right there. I don't know if it's a buttercup or milk cup, but if you guys know, feel free to leave a comment. But I thought this was a pretty awesome figure. So this is the front of it. This is the side of it. It's pretty awesome. This is the back of it. And this is the other side of it. Now this one has a tear too, but it was the last one, so I just picked it up. But I thought it was unique, so I picked it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are a big wrestling fan. If you guys have any of these legendary figures, You know, these are some of the guys who I guess came before everybody else currently, but they're pretty awesome. Macho Man, I mean, I've never heard a guy named Macho Man, and oh yeah, I mean, that's pretty awesome. But yeah, if you guys share some comments, and the price on this, I think it's like, it was like 25 bucks. So it's not cheap, but you know, when they go on sale, you can get it for like $9.99, I think. I think I paid like, it was on sale and I got it for like $8 at Target. Um, they were having like all these elite sale for all the elite wrestling figures. So I just picked this up. It was like the most unique figure out of the bunch. And I just thought, hey, I can do a video about it, and maybe the community can actually chime in and, you know, give me some insights about Macho Man Randy Savage. So there you go. This is it right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I definitely look forward to chatting with you guys on the comment section. And if I've added value to you with this video, definitely hit the like button and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Till next time.